Audience attention. Color guard attention. Color guard forward march.
19 years ago, I was fortunate enough to complete my own Eagle Scout project. Recently at the Meadow Country Club, several local scouts were celebrated by the Rotary Club for their contributions. Scouting is an inclusive organization that fosters leadership and experiences for young people in the community.
I have been in scouting since they allowed girls in 2019, and I did 2 years in Cub Scouts, and the rest has been Boy Scouts.
I am so proud of these kids. These are the kids that are going to be the future leaders of this country, and these are the kids that we need to be the future leaders of this country, because these are the kids that have promised to live a life based on the Scout Oath and the Scout Law.
An incredible amount of work goes into the culminating project, which must be organized, fundraised, and led by the Eagle Scout applicant.
All of you come on up.
It wasn't an easy task, but once we had what we were doing, we had to build different sections. Once we had the first one built, everything went smoothly from there.
My Eagle Scout project was to refurbish this monument that Post 50 had put in at our local cemetery.
So for my Eagle project, I was doing a Lenin library.
For my Eagle project, I gathered together a group of people and we made 75 blankets to give to Project Linus. And Project Linus gives blankets to kids 0 through 18 who need something to snuggle, like if they're in the hospital or in a foster home. And 356 hours was put into that project.
The highest honor in scouting is the rank of Eagle or the Gold Award for the Girl Scouts.
Well, I'm going to continue in scouting until I age out because I like helping out with my troop and being a leader and teaching other people. And then I would like to become a pediatrician. Scouting is an amazing opportunity to learn new things and improve the person who you are.
The lessons learned impact generations to come.
Let's build better adults. And that's what it was about when Baden-Powell created scouting in 1910, and that's what it's about in 2025.
I've become a good leader, and learning how to survive in the outdoors and being able to go camping and set up a tent and cook my own food.
I will do my best to do my duty to God and my country, to obey the Scout Law.
2. Color guard, reform rank. Color guard forward march.
In Great Falls, I'm James Rowland, MTN News.
Color guard dismissed. Audience at ease.